Hi there, you're watching Market Glance, an overview of the top stories which may affect your trades, as reported by Investing.com, brought to you by Dukascopy TV. I'm Jessica Walker. Investors are keeping all eyes on the upcoming Federal Reserve's policy announcement on Wednesday, and with a staff projection from the Feds mistakenly released on Friday, pointing to a quarter-point rate hike later this year, the dollar has boosted higher than most major currencies at the end of last week. The US dollar index was at 97.34, in late trade paring the week's losses to 0.65%. Weak data from China indicates that the Chinese economy remains sluggish. Private sector data in China showed manufacturing activity slowed to a 15-month low in July, falling from 49.4 to 48.2%, the lowest reading since April 2014. This week also brings Eurozone consumer inflation and employment rate on Friday, with investors also monitoring Greece's bailout negotiation progress. Gold futures sank to the lowest level in more than 5 years on Friday, hitting an intraday low of $1,085.50, down $8.60. For the week, gold has tumbled $44.80, or 4.08%. Gold has been under heavy selling pressures as the expectations of future higher borrowing rates is considered bearish for gold. Silver futures also saw a drop. September delivery dropped 21.3 cents, or 1.45% on Friday, standing at $14.48 a troy ounce, losing 2.33%, which leaves silver also on the fifth consecutive weekly decline. Copper sold off on Friday after negative manufacturing activity in China caused concern over a slack in demand for the metal. For September delivery, copper shed 0.3 cents, or 0.13%. For the week, copper prices dropped 11.5 cents, down a fourth consecutive week. Data to watch this week includes Thursday the 30th of July, seeing US preliminary data on second quarter growth, and the weekly report on initial job claims. US oil futures fell to their lowest levels in near 4 months on Friday. The New York Mercantile Exchange crude oil for delivery hit an intraday low of $47.72, a level not seen since April the 1st, before ending down 31 cents, or 0.64%. Worries over high domestic US production weighted oil futures down, seeing a tumble of 5.99% on the week. ICE Futures Exchange in London saw Brent oil futures for September delivery decline 65 cents, or 1.18%, with concerns that Iranian oil exports could add to a global glut, seeing Brent futures losing $2.50, or 4.34% on the week. Wednesday seems to be the main focus for data that could affect the markets, as the US is to report on home sales and crude oil inventories, along with the latest Fed monetary policy decision. Well, that's all for another edition of Market Glance. To be sure you're kept up to date with potential market moves, keep ahead by checking out the weekly Market Glance. Goodbye for now.